How do you make a savory rainbow cabbage salad with a homemade dressing? Mali's going to show you how to do just that, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I tried this salad and it was good, let me tell you. There's so many great ingredients all in one place and really added a lot of variety to the dish. It's time to make salad the star, or a rainbow. Make sure to karate chop that like button if you got some value out of today's video, and leave a comment below on if you like cabbage or lettuce salads better.